with a pen. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, dear Charlie, brave Charlie. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, and dine with MacLean. And though you be weary, we'll make your heart cheery, and welcome old Charlie and his loyal train. And you will drink freely the dews of Glen Shirley, that stream in the starlight when kings didn't ken. And deep be your mead, oh the wine that is red, to drink to your sire and his friend the MacLean. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, dear Charlie, brave Charlie. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, and dine with MacLean. And though you be weary, we'll make your heart cheery, and welcome old Charlie and his loyal train. If aught will invite ye, or more can delight ye, it's ready, a troop of our bold Hieland men. They'll range on the heather with bayonet and feather, strong arms and broad claymores, 310. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, dear Charlie, brave Charlie. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, and dine with MacLean. And though you be weary, we'll make your heart cheery, and welcome old Charlie and his loyal train. Charlie, dear Charlie, brave Charlie. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, and dine with MacLean. And though you be weary, we'll make your heart cheery, and welcome old Charlie and his loyal train. Come o'er the stream, Charlie, and dine with MacLean.